Okay, so once again, for everybody, how to check that you installed the gears actuator in right position. You removed it, put it back, repair, send to me. No, blah 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 blah. Okay, I will show you. First of all, install it without the sensor. Remove the sensor, remove these two balls, this sensor and this bolt, this sensor of the neutral sensor, and now you make this. This must be on the middle. It means that it's on the neutral, and this you make like this. For example, this is the car, okay? I'm on the car on this way. I don't see on the back, okay? So I'm moving this and to the end, and I'm checking. I'm taking the mirror and what I see something, or I don't see something. Oh yes, you see this, where it's coming. Look at this. I mark this point. This is the point, okay? This point. And how it looks in the mirror. I'm take the mirror. Okay. This one point, it looks on this way. You see? You can also take the knife. I was making. Yes, you see? Okay. And the second, as you remember, I put it to the end. You see? To the end. And now, how this one looks. Okay? This and this. How it looks in the mirror. Only after that you can install the sensor, and don't forget that it has spring. And once again, how to install? You put it back to this way, take the sensor, not one, this one, and install it. Click only like this. Click, and this one. You heard?